This recipe of red velvet cake is moist, vanilla and chocolate flavored cake. This is light, fluffy and not too much sugar added to it, which makes it more delicious. And it has the right texture coming from the extra light olive oil and the butter. Start by taking one stick, half a cup or 113 grams of butter in a mixing bowl and 1.5 cups of sugar, that's about 350 grams. Blend it together. Add 1 cup of extra light olive oil and 2 eggs. Continue to beat. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 1 cup of low-fat buttermilk. I have used Chem's buttermilk here. Add 2 teaspoons white wine vinegar and blend it for 30 seconds. Sift 2.5 cups all-purpose flour, 2.5 tablespoons cocoa powder, spoon baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Blend this for about a minute while adding the red food coloring. I have not specified the amount of red food color as it differs from each brand. I have used liquid food color, but if you can get red gel, that works better. Do not overmix the batter once the baking soda is added. Grease and line 2 9-inch cake pans and add the cake batter. Bake at 325 Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. This is the average temperature. Adjust the settings according to your oven. Do the toothpick test by inserting a toothpick in the center of the cake and make sure it comes out clean before you take the cakes out completely of the oven. Cream cheese frosting, you need 8 ounces of cream cheese, that is 226 grams, and half a cup butter, that's 113 grams. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 4.5 cups of powdered sugar. Make sure you don't add all of the sugar at once, you have to add a little at a time. Continue to blend this until it is soft and creamy. Wait till the cakes are completely cooled down to frost the cake. Adding the frosting in between the cake keeps it very moist. This frosting recipe is enough to cover 8 or 9-inch cakes. And best way to save the frosting is in the refrigerator. It does not store well at room temperature.